How to update the YouTube app on an iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily update to the latest version of the YouTube app on your phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, the first thing we need to do is open up our App Store on an iPhone or the Google Play Store on an Android phone. Once you've opened up your respective App Store, go ahead and search and find YouTube and then just select YouTube. If there is an update available, you will see Update. Go ahead and select it. Once it says open, it's installed the latest version of YouTube. But if for some reason you're still not getting the latest version of YouTube or you're not getting the latest features, what I recommend doing is uninstalling YouTube and then reinstalling it. And we can easily do that on an iPhone by long pressing the iPhone app and then selecting Remove App and then confirming Delete App. On an Android phone, you'd simply long press the YouTube app and drag it up to the top right to where it says uninstall. Once you've uninstalled the YouTube app, simply open up your respective app store, navigate back to YouTube, and go ahead and select download, or on an iPhone, select the cloud with the download icon right there. And that will force the App Store on your phone to download and install the latest version of YouTube. Once it's installed, you will now have updated YouTube on your iPhone or Android phone. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.